In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. This process will allow you to embed Notion pages directly into your Monday.com workspace, enhancing your project management capabilities. Start by navigating to Monday.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your workspace. Next, locate the puzzle piece icon, which represents the marketplace. This icon is typically found on the left sidebar of the screen. Clicking on it will open the marketplace interface where you can find various integrations. After that, look for the search box within the marketplace. This box is prominently displayed at the top of the marketplace window, allowing you to quickly find specific. Type in Notion into the search box. As you type, the marketplace will display relevant results. You should see options related to Notion appear below the search field. Click on the option labeled Notion Embed for Monday.com. This selection will take you to the app's details page where you can view more information about its features. Once on the app page, find and click the button that says Install App. This action initiates the installation process, enabling the integration of Notion into your Monday.com account. Next, you will see an option labeled All Workspaces. Click this to ensure the integration is available across all your workspaces, providing flexibility in your project management. After selecting All Workspaces, click on the Install button. This confirms your choice to integrate the Notion app into your Monday.com environment. Now, find the option labeled Install Notion Embed for Monday.com. Clicking this will finalize the installation process, allowing you to utilize Notion within your Monday.com boards. Next, you will see a button that says Add App. Click on this to add the Notion Embed feature to your workspace, making it available for use in your projects. Once the app is added, navigate back to your Monday.com board, locate the section where you want to embed Notion, and then click on Notion Embed to initiate the embedding process. After that, access the settings by clicking on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. This will open the configuration options for the Notion Embed feature. At this point, go to the Notion website, which you can access by typing notion.so in your browser's address bar. Ensure you are logged into your Notion account to proceed. Choose the specific page in Notion that you wish to embed. This could be a project page or any relevant document that you want to integrate into Monday.com. Once you have selected the page, click on the Share button located at the top right of the Notion page. This will open sharing options for that specific page. Next, click on the Publish option to make the page publicly accessible. This step is crucial for embedding the page in Monday.com as it generates a shareable link. You may need to click Publish again to confirm your action, ensuring the page is properly published for sharing. After publishing, click on the Copy Site Link option. This copies the URL of the Notion page to your clipboard, allowing you to use it in Monday.com. Now, return to your Monday.com workspace. Locate the Notion Embed URL field where you can input the link you just copied. Click on the Notion Embed URL field to prepare for input. This field will allow you to paste the URL you copied from Notion. Type in the link that you copied from Notion into the designated field in Monday.com. Ensure there are no additional spaces or errors in the URL to avoid any issues. Finally, click on the workspace to select the appropriate board where you want the Notion page to appear. This will finalize the integration, allowing you to view your Notion content within Monday.com. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.